Hi guys, we are back again with another video. So you can see we got our Takara Tomy version of Variaris DD. So if you are following me from a very long time, you might remember that this bay we got long back and I haven't unboxed it yet. So I was just waiting to get some time to unbox this guy, and today is the day we gonna unbox this thing. And guys, I am very excited about it. So let me know in the comment section, are you excited too? I hope you are excited because I am. So guys, let's not waste any more further time because I cannot wait any longer. So let me open this box and let me show you what it all contains. So here we go. Very quick unboxing. Ripcord launcher. So we got the Variaris DD layer. So guys, from the guy I bought, so this was not actually 100% new. So this thing was opened and some stickers were attached, but still you can see the sign, right? It's pretty close to new. So it's not exactly 100% new, but it was very close to new. And because guys, these things are packed, so obviously he cannot use it. Let me rip this thing apart. And we got the Variaris driver. So we can change the modes with this driver. So this reminds me more of a Dronzer F and Zeta driver in the burst. So this is pretty good driver to have. Let me take these things out as well. So since stickers are attached, so we don't have to do much on that front. So obviously I'm gonna keep this aside as well. So let me assemble the bay. So guys, we got our Variaris. Let me open the launcher. So guys, the launcher which comes with Variaris is pretty amazing because it is not a normal ripcord launcher. So this is our launcher. Let me take out the ripcord. So guys, this is all the stuff we get. We got our Variaris Beyblade, and look at this amazing DD driver. Pretty amazing, I guess. And we got this LR launcher. So how this works is, so I guess this comes out and you can just take out the right spin and you can just put the left spin one. Okay, and there are switching modes for left and right like this. So guys, I think that's how it works in left and right. So let me put it back. So guys, LR launcher comes with Variaris because Variaris can spin left and right both. So guys, Variaris can spin both left and right, so that's why they gave LR launcher with it. And this is the ripcord. So guys, this is all the stuff we get into the box. So guys, I got my stadium setup, and you can see this is my old Variaris with a metal face bolt and this spin track and this metal tip, and this one is the stock Variaris new one. So you can see the shining in the metal, and you can see that it's the new and it's the old. And we got Big Bang Pegasus and Basalt. So we're gonna do obviously 3 battles because we have 3 bays here, and I'm gonna using the right spin launcher. So both of the Variaris will be spinning in right only. So first battle I'm gonna do between both of the Variaris. So let's start. So first I'm gonna launch the new one because it's first test spin. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now this one. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh my god, guys. So guys, the Variaris with the metal tip and face bolt is pretty crazy. It threw this guy out of the stadium. Let's try one more time. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh. But still, somehow this guy was able to pull a win. So guys, this face bolt is weighing 4 or 5 grams more than this plastic face bolt. So this metal face bolt does make a lot of difference. And the spin track and the metal tip is almost as close as this thing. And it's a flat tip, so it's pretty aggressive. So I'm happy to see that this guy is stacking up against this guy. So that is pretty good. Now let's try one with Basalt. So I'm gonna launch Basalt first, then I'm gonna launch this guy. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh my god. So both flew out of the stadium. That's why I'm not using any walls, because I love to see this crazy battle, guys. Let me know if you are enjoying that crazy battle as well. So let's try this one more time. So Basalt is pretty heavy, but this time this guy was able to take out the Basalt somehow. That's good. So gonna go against Big Bang Pegasus, and Big Bang Pegasus is not something that goes pretty quietly. It makes a lot of noise. So let's see how that goes. So first obviously I'm gonna launch this guy. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. So right now Pegasus is silent. Oh my god, Pegasus is going crazy, guys. And Pegasus flew out of the stadium itself. No effort needed. So let's give it one more shot. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Oh, whoa, whoa. This time both flew out of the stadium. So guys, both flew out of the stadium. So I would say it was more of a draw, but for me, I think Pegasus was the winner according to me. But still, that was a pretty good fight. And I have to reconsider putting this crystal wall on the stadium because this open stadium is not really doing that good. So guys, let me know in the comment section, should I put the cover of this stadium or not? Or this is just fine. But still guys, I find it amazing when the Bay flew out of the stadium, and that is something to watch. But still, sometimes the Bay could break, so that is one thing. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.